now that we have pulled out that rod, this should come out.
Oofda.
Okay, hi there. So today I'm gonna show you how to remove the stopper here in this Delta sink. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to take that out of there and clean it off and deal with the nonsense that's been happening in this sink for the past month. And my wife keeps telling me, you need to unclog that sink. So I put some, dollar brand Drano down in there, and that did not work. Okay, yeah. All right, we got a whole production going on. Got my ring light in the back. Okay, just in case we need some extra light in here. So first things first, eh? Okay. First, you gotta get all your wife's crap out of the bottom of the sink here. Okay, so we're gonna do that first. My wife has like 9 blow dryers. Why there's bubbles in here, I don't know. Okay, what you're looking at now is called this part here, this little metal pin here. Apparently that's called a clevis. Okay, it sounds funny coming out of my mouth. I don't know why. So you want to make sure you remember what hole that's going into. Okay. And it's the bottom one there. And you want to remove that off because you can't just pull the stopper out. This pin is running through here into the sink, and you want to take that part out, okay? I'm going to do that now. It would be a lot easier to do this if there wasn't a whole doggone camera under my sink. Okay, pinch that together. It loosens it. Take this out. It was in the bottom there, yeah? Okay, this here, out of focus, that's your clevis. Set it aside. This should come out, or you gotta loosen this piece too here, okay? We are learning as we go. Backing this up. Loosen that. There we go. And this should pull out. Let's see how dirty this is going to be. Since I haven't done this, it's not too bad. So there's that. Dirty. Now we're going to clean that off. Okay, now that we have pulled out that rod, this should come out. Holy guacamole. Oh no. And that, my friends, looks like a rat just came out of my sink. I'm a little queasy. Oh dear God. Okay, so we got the pin out. I'm gonna clean this thing now, okay? I don't need to show you that. That's how you get it out. And the way that looked, we should totally have some free flowing running water after cleaning that off.
A few moments later.
Right, so our stopper is looking much better. I chased my wife around the house with it. The dirty one, I'm just kidding, I did not do that. No, she calls me surprisingly handy, and we're gonna show her just how handy we are unclogging our sink here. Let's put it back together. Right, so now we gotta put this guy back in, and this I feel like is going to be the hardest part because it has to go back through I've lost my clevis. Dear God. Okay. I'm just hoping that it went in right. We shall see. So this was in the bottom rung. Here. Yes. One end of the clevis goes in first. And then this rod was in the bottom hole. Clevis in. Okay. Let's check and see if it worked up top. I give this a pull and it goes down. I told you. Surprisingly handy. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And let's see here. My sink hasn't run that smooth since like March. And it's July. All right. This is Matt, and that is how you replace, clean, and fix your sink there. There might be different models, I don't know, but don't try and force it out. You'll break something, okay? So that's it for me. Okay, bye. Woofda. Right, P.S. You want to make sure there's no leaks, so let the sink run for a minute. And there was a little leak, so I tightened it up. I had to tighten here, make sure that all of these are tight. Okay, everything looks good. And postscript out.